Okay, good. We don't have to do any more string.
Oh, gosh. Yeah, we're gonna come out.
Okay, hold on there, pal. Hold on there, Tiddlywinks. I don't know why. That was all. Oh, sorry.
Jesus. String.
Hand outside of the string.
I hope it really.
This has to work, okay? Okay, 1, 2, 3. Oh, it worked! Did it go? Where'd it go? Did it work? Okay, that's missing. Okay, here's the end of the string.
Oh.
Here it is! Here it is, Charlie! Here, hold it up to the camera. We got that puppy. Charlie nailed it, everybody. Here, wait. You gotta show it up in the front there. There it is. There it is. That is awesome. See your mouth. See the hole. Oh, there's the bloody hole. How's it feel?
Good.
Yeah. All right, so that's how to take a tooth out with a Nerf sniper rifle. Have a good night.